Hello students, I am Dr. Ganesh Patil from Catechism College Nasik. Today we are going to learn chapter number 4, Measures of Dispersion. In this chapter we learn a topic, standard deviation by deviation method. Let us recall first. In our last lecture we learned standard deviation. Standard deviation means the positive square root of mean of square of the deviation taken from arithmetic mean is called as standard deviation. Standard deviation is denoted by sigma. And we have learned a formula for individual observation, that is standard deviation sigma is equal to under root summation of x square divided by n minus x bar square. And another formula for frequency distribution, that is sigma is equal to under root summation of fx square divided by n minus x bar square. Then we learn coefficient of variation, that is standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean in mod into 100. Therefore CV is equal to sigma divided by mod x bar into 100. Standard deviation by deviation method. We have see some step to find standard deviation by deviation method. Step number 1, decide assume mean, that is A. Step number 2, let D is equal to x minus A. Compute deviation D. D is equal to x minus A. Step number 3, find sum of deviation and sum of square of deviation, that is summation of D and summation of D square. Summation of D, sum of deviation, and summation of D square, sum of square of deviation for individual observation. And for frequency distribution, summation of EFD, frequency into distribution, and from square of deviation, summation of F into D square. Step number 4, apply formula and find standard deviation as follows. For individual observation, that is sigma is equal to under root summation of D square divided by n minus summation of D divided by n bracket square. And for frequency distribution, sigma is equal to under root summation of FD square divided by capital N minus summation of FD divided by n bracket square. Student, let us solve some example of standard deviation and coefficient variation from deviation method. Example number 1, compute SD and CV of mark score by 10 candidates given below. And the data is given that 54, 61, 64, 69, 58, 56, 49, 57, 55 and 50. Solution. Let A is equal to 57 and D is equal to x minus 57. This is the observation of 54, 61, and in this observation we have to find assume mean, that known as A, and A is equal to 57. We assume that A is equal to 57, where D is equal to x minus 57. Step number 2. First step decide assume mean. So we decide A is equal to 57. Step number 2, D is equal to x minus A. So x and minus A 57. So here in second row we find D is equal to x minus 57. So 54 minus 57 is equal to minus 3. We write here minus 3. 61 minus 57 is equal to 4. Here write 4. 64 minus 57 is equal to 7. 69 minus 57 is equal to 12. 58 minus 57 is equal to 1. 56 minus 57 is equal to 1, and that is 1. 50 minus 57 is equal to minus 7. Then square of d, that is d square. So minus 3 square, 9, minus 3 into minus 9, minus minus plus, 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 4, 16, 7 into 7, 49, 12 into 12, 144, 1, 1, minus 1 into minus 1, minus minus plus, 1 into 1, 1, minus 8 into minus 8, minus minus plus, 8 into 8, 64, 0, 0, minus 2 square, 4, minus 7 square, 4. Then step number 3rd. Summation of d square. Summation of d is equal to 3. Summation of d square is equal to 337. Then step number 4, apply the formula. And the formula is under root summation of d square divided by n minus summation of d divided by n bracket square. Put this value, summation of d square 337 divided by n is equal to number of observation, and number of observation is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Summation of d is equal to 3 and n is equal to 10. 3 by 10 bracket square. After solving this, we get 33.61. Therefore, under root 33.61. And we get sigma is equal to 5.7974. Then CV requires x bar. We have to find coefficient of variance, and CV requires x bar. Hence, x bar is equal to a plus summation of d divided by n. So, a, assume 57, summation of d is 3, number of observation 3 are 10. So, 3 into 10, 0.3, 57 plus 0.3 is equal to 57.3. So, x bar is equal to 57.3. Then, the formula of CV is sigma divided by mod x into 100. Sorry, mod x bar into 100. So, put this value, sigma 5.7974, x bar 57.3 into 100. So, we get 10.12%. So, standard deviation is 5.7974 and CV is equal to 10.12%. Example number 2. Compute standard deviation and CV of the given data below. And the data are 120, 122, 125, 130, 135, 140 and 142. Solution. Prepare a table, and in this table observation x is equal to 120, 122, 125, 130, 135, 140 and 142. Step number 1. Decide assume mean from the given observation, and we decide a is equal to 130. Step number 2. Let d is equal to x minus a. So observation x 120 minus 130 is equal to minus 10. 122 minus 130 is equal to minus 8. 125 minus 130 is equal to minus 5. 130 minus 130 is equal to 0. 135 minus 130 is equal to 5. 140 minus 130 is equal to 10. And 142 minus 130 is equal to 12. Then summation of d, minus 10 plus minus 8 plus minus 5 plus 0 plus 5 plus 10 plus 12 is equal to 4. Then d square, minus 10 square is 100, minus 8 square is 64, minus 5 square is 25, 0, 0, 5 square 25, 10 square 100 and 12 square is 145. Then summation of d square, and summation of d square is 458. Then we have a formula that sigma, that is standard deviation, is equal to under root summation of d square divided by n minus in bracket summation of d by n bracket square. Then put this value in this formula, and we get summation of d square is equal to 458. Number of observation here is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then summation of d is equal to 4, and n 7, so 4 by 7 bracket square. Then 458 divided by 7 is 65.43. 4 by 7 is equal to 4 by 7 square is equal to 0.33, and we get under root 65.10, and under root 65.10 is equal to 8.0685. Then we have to find CV, and CV requires x bar, hence x bar is equal to a plus summation d divided by n. So a is equal to 130 plus summation of d divided by n is equal to 4 by 7. 130 plus 4 by 7 is equal to 130.57. So CV is equal to sigma divided by mod x bar, that is arithmetic mean into 100. Put this value in this formula and we get sigma is equal to 8.0685, mod x bar is equal to 130.57 into 100. So we get 6.18%. So student, we have to find standard deviation is equal to, we find standard deviation 8.0685 and CV 6.18%. Let us remember some point of standard deviation by deviation method. First, to find standard deviation, decide assume mean, that is a, d is equal to x minus a for compute deviation. Step 3, find sum of deviation and sum of square of deviation. Step number 4, apply the formula and find standard deviation, and the formula for individual observation is sigma is equal to under root summation of d square by n minus summation of d by n bracket square, and the formula for frequency distribution is summation of fd square divided by n minus summation of fd divided by n bracket square. So student, you will solve the example for assignment, that, and the example for frequency distribution for the example is individual observation for step deviation method. So student, solve this example, scan and send to the Google Classroom. If you have any difficulty related to this topic, you can send the mail on ganeshpatil@ktismcollege.ac.in. Thank you student, thank you very much.